Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change date of birth on TikTok. So in order to change date of birth, what you need to do is firstly you need to open your Google Chrome or Google and type down TikTok support feed and simply search for it. So over here, after that you need to select this report a problem in the top, and from here you need to select the topic in order to report it and select change date of birth. And over here you need to select this update date of birth on the bottom. So over here, in order to confirm your date of birth, what you need to do is you need to simply select a method. You can select selfie with ID or credit card authorization and follow the on-screen instruction here. And after that, what you need to do is you need to type down your date of birth, your card number, expiration date, security code, and card holder name, and select next. And that is it. That is how you can change your date of birth on TikTok. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.